We have our next speaker on the line. We have Pirimin Ulmann, the CEO and co-founder of bscience.net. He will present us solid-state and semi-solid lithium-ion battery cells, a process-based categorization of divergent product development approaches. The stage is yours. Please go ahead whenever you're ready.
Many thanks, Benosh. Many thanks for everybody at TechBlick for putting together such a nice program, and many thanks to all the attendees who are joining. With bscience.net, we are concerned with the problem that 35 to 45% of new high-tech product launches still fail. We think one of the key reasons is that CTOs and R&D departments often lack key objective public data points that might be out there, especially in the patent literature, but difficult to identify to make sound decisions related to the R&D direction, checking which projects are on track, and identifying key risk factors. Our contribution towards addressing this problem is our bscience.net subscriptions. This is an information service for product development groups based on AI-supported processing of public technology information, especially patents, where we see it as our unique capability that we can do AI-supported assessment of the prospective commercial relevance of newly published patent applications by training AI models very well and then employing a screening and human analysis combined approach. We have been around for a few years and are happy to see how our customers who often early on bought the subscription launched new products with more than $1 billion order volume in the categories that we cover: high energy positive electrodes, solid and semi-solid electrolytes, and high energy negative electrodes for lithium-ion batteries. So looking at the field at which solid electrolytes are contained in cells that have already been launched or that we see as being close to launch, we are putting together these trees, and I'll be happy to send you the slides in case you want to look at them specifically. I think one can see how oxides and phosphates are a very prominent category. These solid electrolytes can be built into films, but also combined with polymers and sometimes with some liquid electrolyte. And several cell products have been launched, ranging from microscale to EVs. Then sulfides are also very important, being pursued also towards EVs, but here we have seen a launch by Maxell actually for microscale cells. Excuse me. Then systems where polymers are predominant, their Blue Solutions has been a pioneer with polymers cells in the EV space operated at 8 degrees Celsius. It will be very interesting to see if this can be done at room temperature as well. Then there are the thin film devices that have been on the market for several years. Unfortunately, it seems it's hard to upscale these, so these are usually in the microscale application domain. Then there are very important new categories such as halides, oxyhalides, pursued by several key commercial players. And then there are proton-containing compounds that we recently identified in the patent literature that it seems, maybe it's still an open question, but placing some protons at the right space, the right amount in a solid state device, that it might have benefit